All right, it's now recording. All right, now the objective, what you're expected to learn at the end of the section, is that you must be able to tell the difference between sets of numbers, sorry, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational
Mm-hmm.
numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, and sequence. You must be able to look at the sequence of numbers that have a recognizable pattern. You must be able to identify, you must be able to find the factors and multiples of numbers. You must be able to
Mm-hmm.
square numbers. You must be able to identify even numbers, identify odd numbers, identify prime numbers, and identify composite numbers. All right?
Okay.
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 Now, I have an icebreaker. I don't know if I took Anarchy to the icebreaker. Did I, Anarchy?
Yes, you did.
Oh, good. So we're going to kind of skip the icebreaker because of time. All right. Another time, now that we get to do the icebreaker. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. Let's keep it moving now. All right. Now, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Nobody want to read that for me, please?
Hello.
Yes, Noblet, go ahead. Read that for me, please.
Oh, natural numbers is a number that occur commonly. Could you open it a little bit wider, please?
Oh,
Commonly and obviously.
no, man. You must, all right, on your phone screen, just look for full,
Mm-hmm.
for full screen and click on it. Full screen.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's
All
bigger
right.
now? It's
A
bigger now?
natural number is a number that
Okay.
occur commonly and obviously in nature. As such, it is a old, non-negative number. The sets of natural numbers de- denote n can be defined in either of two ways. N equal 1, 2, 3.
Etc., etc. All right, very good. Now, some keywords. When they say the word denoted, they are saying it can be
Yeah.
they are saying it can be named as n, the set n. So when you say n, it refers to what? A set of natural numbers. Good?
Okay.
Good. Wonderful. Then now, they say a natural number is a number that occurs commonly. And commonly means it exists. It just when something common, it just all about the place. Right? Now,
Right.
obviously in nature, it means that you naturally have to do it. I take for instance, let us make this a bit more understanding, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I am not a very good artist, but I can draw. Okay? All right. Let us say this is you are in the kitchen. And then now, Novlet was making some dumplings. Sorry. Novlet, you shouldn't tell me, sir. I shouldn't use a color dumpling, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some flour dumpling, you know. You know, a wheat dumpling novelist, sorry. Wheat dumpling. Now, when your husband come into the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. What's the natural thing him gonna do? Them come to the kitchen. Hold on.
What is the?
The natural thing he would do when he comes into the kitchen. This is you in the kitchen. And you're gonna share the
Ask.
dumpling.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna share the dumpling between you and him. What's a natural
Mm-hmm.
thing would you do? What's a natural thing you would do?
Alright, if I'm cooking the dumpling,
Mm-hmm.
the if I'm gonna share the dumpling, then I'll take up the plate
Yeah.
and start to put the dumpling in it.
Mm-hmm. So,
Mm-hmm.
so you don't just put dumpling just so?
No,
Oh, that's what I wanted to do. You don't just take the spoon or the fork and just put dumpling just so?
no, you'd put like two dumpling, then you would add the meat, the
Stop
veg.
there. I got you now. I got you now. Like what now?
You'd put two dumpling,
Stop right there.
the
How
vegetable,
you how you know
plus
says
meat.
hold on. No, how you know says two dumpling? What did they do to arrive at two dumpling? How you know say that two
Uh,
dumpling? What you naturally do it, you know? It starts with letter C. It starts with natural C. You count. You count, right?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hence, it obviously occurs mean happens, right? It takes place obviously in what? Nature. Because you naturally use natural numbers. Make sense? You counted one, two dumplings.
Yeah.
Follow? Make sense?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So you took two of Mr. Eccleston's dumpling and you put them in
Mm-hmm.
his plate. You know
Mm-hmm.
so much dumpling you want eat? Three dumpling left for yourself. All right. So that is really what natural numbers are. Numbers you use naturally, right?
Yes.
Good. All right. Let's erase the dumplings before Mr. Eccleston get upset. Say this man only give me two dumpling and take three for herself. Oh my. All right. Next time I to the phone, I say, brother, make sure you go in the kitchen before the dumpling them share out. All right. Here's all numbers now. You're going to read information on a key, and then Novlet will tell me the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Read Anarchy.
All numbers are positive numbers, including zero without any decimal or factors part. They are numbers that represent all things without pieces. The set of all numbers is represented mathematically by the set. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. Now, question to you, Novlet. What's the difference between whole numbers and the natural numbers?
All right.
Yeah.
All numbers.
Mhm.
All
Yeah.
right. Read it over again for me, Anna, please.
Leave work with their class.
The banana phone.
Oh,
Mm. All right. It says, you read it now? You can read it? You read it?
I'm still not. I'm still seeing natural number, the one that I read before.
It's on the other side. So you have to pull across. Just pull it across. Pull the phone, the screen across.
Oh,
You see it now?
all right. Mm-mm.
No man, pull the phone
All
screen
right.
across.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
all.
All
Good.
numbers
Go ahead
are
now.
positive.
Yeah. You can read it now?
Yes. So all numbers include zeros and they don't have any decimal or fraction. For example, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, good. So it includes zero and doesn't have a decimal nor a fraction. So what's the difference
Yes.
between it and a natural set of natural numbers?
Right. It's the natural number um in, instead of using 1, 2, 3, I can use like letters like for example N.
No, 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 no. They are saying it's denoted by the letter N.
Mm-hmm.
They say it's a N equal this. Now, for the whole numbers now, they didn't say it right here, but it have been denoted by the letter W.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So, but look at the brackets. Look at what's in the brackets to tell the difference. Look at the brackets. See any,
Yes.
see any difference between the two set of numbers? What's the difference between the two set of numbers?
One set start from 0
Good. And the other set does not.
and the other set start from 1.
Very good. That's what I wanted to recognize. So zero is not a natural number, right?
Yes.
Good. So all numbers are both natural and whole except for zero.
Oh, okay.
All right, good. So let's move on now. Integers. Your turn again. Read now, Noblet.
An integer pronounce uh, intra, a whole number, fraction number, a whole number, not a fraction number that can be positive, negative, or 0. Example of integers are 5, 1, 5, 8, 97, and 3043. The set of integers denote Z is formally defined as follows: Z minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3.
All right, very good. So when we're talking about integers, we're talking about numbers that have negative and positive numbers, right?
Yes.
So you do have a negative fractional number. Is that clear?
Yes.
So let's say an integer is a whole number, not a fractional number that can be positive, negative, or what? Zero. So
Mm-hmm.
you can have negative 5, up to you can have positive 1 and 5, you have 8, 97, and so forth. Like in this list right here, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, then 0, 1, 2, and 3. So these are called integers, right?
Right.
Good. All right. So, all right. Anake, your turn to read now. Sister Anake, are you there? Anake? Anake gone. No, nothing Anake. All right. Read it, Novlet.
Okay. In mathematics, a rational number is any number that can be expressed as the quotient fraction P slash Q of two integers, a numerator P and a non-zero denominator Q. Since Q may be equal to 1, every integer is a rational number. A rational number.
Okay. So in this case, they are saying that when we talk about rational numbers, we're really referring to what? Fractions, right?
Right.
Good. So you have P over Q. So any number is written as a fraction is referred to as a rational number.
Yes.
Okay then. You understand that, right? Straightforward.
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. Alright. Alright, in this case now, we're allocated.
I'm here,
That way you're gone
but I
before.
wasn't a while ago though.
If whenever I step out,
So,
let me know here.
alright, sorry.
Okay, read that one for me, please.
In mathematics, the irrational numbers are all the real numbers, which are not rational numbers. The latter beginning, the numbers, what is that again?
Where?
Considered.
Consisted from ratios,
Constructed from.
bracket, or fractions of integers. Mathematics does not gradually take
Does not
generally takes this one never which one, sorry for stopping, but which one I never did get. This one are the real numbers.
real numbers.
The real numbers. Mm. Where did it reach?
You said mathematician. Do not generally.
Right there. Do not generally take, so that terminated or repeating to be the definition of the. I don't understand this. You sure me they get this?
All right.
Sir?
All right, let me explain. In mathematics, you have the irrational numbers, are all the real numbers. They are not rational, and the latter being the numbers from ratios or fractions. For example, when they talk about irrational numbers, that's what they refer to. In some cases, they rather to leave a number like this. All right, that's root 2. So instead of writing the answer for root 2, just leave it as that. That's a irrational number. You get that?
Oh, it's like working out a number, and if you have to continue to work it out, you're going to end up with a decimal, so you don't continue, just leave it as is.
Exactly. It keep repeating.
It repeated itself. Okay.
Understand that, Novelet?
Go again, please.
Now, what she said that if you're working out a number, all right, if you have a calculator, find what root 2 is. Hold on, please. Hold on. Yes, Uncle Al, hello? There. Yeah, hello?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so what I was saying now, right, use a calculator so we can find what root 2 is. You will find it, you put a square root sign and you put the number underneath it.
I don't have a calculator right now.
Alright. Anaki, you have none?
Mm-mm.
You know, have none? So, you know that means for everybody? Now, we'll get one calculator.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I'm very glad me asked.
But even on the phone, it doesn't have it.
Yeah, man, you know the 12 fine.
Okay.
Alright. Now, when I use my calculator, what I get for the answer? 1.41421.
I just find it 35624.
24. And I can
Yeah.
bet you that the calculator stop at 4. But you realize it start again?
No, my one stop at the 24.
Yeah, but look at it now. It starts at 4 again, you know. And
Oh,
the calculation might have said,
if it did for go on, it would have continued from the 4, which is the last number that we are seeing on it.
yes. Instead of 1 again, 4, then 2, it keep repeating.
Oh, it keep repeating itself.
Yes, so it's not ending any at all.
Yeah, so let's say just leave it at a square root.
Exactly, because it become a big number. You
Yeah.
can call it. You say 1.4121356 it just keep. You ever watch a program on TV and the numbers just keep going all over the place? Never. All right, but the point is though, instead of writing this long 11 number, they just leave that root 2, and this root 2 is called an irrational number. Is that clear now, Novlet?
Yes.
Sure. Don't tell me yes because you know I want the class now. Is it yes as in yes?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. I believe you. All right. So let's get rid of that now. Okay. Wonderful. Let's move on. All right. After this, you have to log in here. You have to re-log in because it ends up. Each session ends in 40 minutes. You have to re-log in.
Okay.
Okay. So here is the real number that you missed, ma'am. That's the real number. But basically, when we talk about real numbers, they're just saying to you that real numbers include all numbers, both irrational and irrational. That's what real numbers really is. They include rational numbers and irrational numbers. They include integers, irrational numbers, and so forth. That's what I mean by real number, right?
Okay.
It have all numbers in it.